I want you to listen carefully to this next speaker kasi may inspire kayo sa age niya sa at his young age, pero yung mind niya totally different na. It makes me think, what was I doing when I was 22 years old? Grabe, ang layo dun sa pinaggagawa niya ngayon. Alright? He's already a platinum coach here in Live Good at a very short time. Talagang pakinggan nyo kung ano yung journey niya, pakinggan nyo lahat ng sasabihin niya. Talagang marami kayong matututunan sa kanya. And if you're young, be inspired by him. If you are old, maging inspired din kayo sa kanya. Kasi siya na talaga yung, siya na yung, he knows what he wants in life and he is getting it. He is really getting it. Alright? So I want you to listen carefully kasi ang dami-dami nyo talaga, mabibless kayo. I promise you, you would be very, very blessed with our next speaker. So without further ado, let me bring the floor to Coach Mark Nile Dagasdas. Hello! Yay!
All right. Ayan.
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you so much, Coach Mon, for that awesome introduction. Grabe. So, na-goosebumps naman tayo. So, ayan, thank you so much for that. Grabe. Well-explained and very professional na presentation, and pareho pa tayo nakapula. All right. So, ayan. Anyway, thank you so much sa mga nagstay ngayon, and ayan, right now meron tayong second part ng ating presentation. So sa mga gusto magstay, so you can, sa mga hindi, okay, so okay lang. Ayan, so we understand naman eh. Ayan, so right now sisimulan na po natin syempre ang ating second part ng ating presentation. All right. So yan, let me just share my screen. Okay. Ayan. So, hello nga pala sa ating lahat, and I'm so excited again to share this opportunity kasi indeed life-changing, no? So, never pa namin an entire career ko sa sa industry and sa grupo ko rin, grabe talaga, tremendous, and we're so beyond grateful sa nangyayari sa amin, and sa buong team, grabe po. Okay, kaya right now, syempre sisimulan na natin ang ating second part ng ating presentation. Okay? So, ayan. I-share screen ko lang ang aking. Okay, so magandang umaga, hapon, gabi, or anong oras man diyan. Ngayon nasa ang lupalop ka man sa mundo ngayon. So, ayan. Okay? Mabuhay po tayong lahat, no? Ayan. So, okay, so let me share my screen. Okay. So ayan po 'no, so maya-maya din and ngayon din actually, so madi-discover po natin ng unang-una yung company na pinag-uusapan ngayon, and mainit-init, and grabe po, talagang exponential yung growth ng company ito, and grabe po talaga, as in. And number two is madi-discover din natin yung products na very high quality, pero at the same time magugulat ka sa presyo. Okay? So number three, madi-discover natin kung gaano ka-unique ang business model ng company ito, at kung paano ba tayo kikita dito. Paano natin maximize ang ganitong klaseng concept ng business. Okay? So let me share my screen. So welcome everyone to Live Good. So ito po yung company ngayon na pinagkakaguluhan, and sobrang dami po yung sumasali every single minute, hour, every day, every week, and every month. No? Kasi grabe, sobrang ganda talaga niya. It's a no-brainer, and pag-uusapan natin yan ngayon din. Okay? So before nyan, disclaimer muna, no? So very important to na at least aware tayo lahat. Diba? Para hindi tayo maligaw ng landas. Okay ba? So, disclaimer, the information provided in this presentation does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice. And you should treat any content as such. Nothing in this presentation should be taken as an offer to buy, sell, or hold a cryptocurrency. So, hindi po ako financial advisor, and yung cryptocurrency dito kasi meron pong ibang mga tao na kino-connect po tayo sa crypto investment. So, hindi po tayo ganyan, ha? Okay? So, yung cryptocurrency po dito is gateway or mode of pay in and pay out po siya. So hindi po tayo crypto investment. Okay? And take note then that Live Good is not an investment company. So if you're looking for investment company, well, and you are in the wrong presentation. Okay? This is a business opportunity. Right? So it is illegal for a promoter or a participant in a program to persuade anyone to make a payment promising promising benefits from getting others to join. So wala po tayong pinapromise dito. Kumbaga, we will just tell you kung ano yung meron talaga dito sa company ito, and it's up for you to decide. Okay? So do not be misled by claims that high earnings are easily achieved. So meron tayong mga i-flash later on na mga proof of earnings kasi ano tayo, di ba? To see is to believe. Okay, so but that does not mean na syempre pag ginawa mo is that ganun din expect mo na kikitain mo in few days or ilang buwan. So pwede, okay, basta't gagawin mo din syempre yung trabaho. Alright? Ayan, yung pag-aaral sa business. Okay? So yung point lang dito is yun yung pwedeng mangyari sa atin. Yun yung future natin. Okay? So you must do your own independent research prior to engaging in any kind of business activity, including any activity when you have expectations of specific high results or any financial returns. In short, mag-research ka. Lalo kung sigurista ka, no? So I highly suggest na mag-research ka. But hopefully, hindi ka na pumunta kung saan-saan kundi manood ka na dito kung sino yung mga nandito na, dito ka na makinig. Okay? Mahirap na makinig ka dun sa labas na hindi naman involved dito, di ba? So iba yung advice na makukuha mo. So hopefully syempre na itong presentation na to is makatulong sa iyo na makapag-decide na simulan itong business na to. Right? So let's proceed. So ngayon meron muna tayong ipapanood na short video presentation where nandito po it's about bird's eye view, okay, about this company, and dito bibigyan kayo ng konting idea kung ano ba talaga ang meron dito sa company ito. All right? So ayan. Okay. So ipe-play ko lang muna to. So let's watch this short video of our CEO Ben Glinsky.
Hi, this is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of Live Good. Over the past 20 years, we've launched and run some of the most successful products and companies in the entire network marketing industry. We've helped hundreds of thousands of people all over the world generate extra income from home, paid out close to $1 billion in commissions, and have been featured all over the internet, in magazines, newspapers, even on TV. People often ask, how have our companies been so successful while thousands of others have failed? The answer is simple: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in society, trends in the economy. With inflation higher than ever, gas prices up, causing utility bills to rise, mortgage and rent payments going up, travel getting more expensive, people are looking for ways they can save money without compromising quality. Because of that, the network marketing industry is at a major crossroads. Products have become more and more overpriced just so companies can pay out big commissions and compensation plans. But with buying habits trending away from higher priced products in search of better value, that model just doesn't align with where the industry is going. In fact, if you look at some of the biggest companies in the network marketing industry, like Herbalife, USANA, and Nu Skin, their revenues are down as much as 20% from just a year ago. While companies like Walmart and Costco's revenues are up 9% and 12%. In the words of our director of network marketing, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. That's why we created Live Good. Teaming up with amazing health and wellness experts Ryan and Lisa Goodkin, we've created a line of the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet that people need. And we make them available for as much as 75% less than what other companies are charging for lower quality products. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than even best-selling non-organic Super Beets, and for less than half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 500 milligram CBD oil for as much as $80. Ours is the highest quality CBD available anywhere, and with 750 milligrams of CBD, it's 50% stronger for just $18. Not only that, but every one of our highest quality products comes with a full 90-day empty bottle money-back guarantee. If you don't absolutely love any of the Live Good products that you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we'll give you a full refund. No questions asked. So what does all this mean for you? On top of having products that virtually sell themselves in a company that is perfectly aligned with shifting buying habits in the marketplace, we give you all the tools, systems, websites, videos, training, and everything you need to help you earn extra income easier and faster than any other company in the industry. In fact, this video that you're watching right now is part of the industry's most powerful Powerline-driven marketing system that allows you to reserve a free temporary position in our company before you have to commit anything to getting started. What that means is when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the power line. Now, each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of Live Good for just $9.95 a month, plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee, moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x14 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. So each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. By being a member of Live Good, you're going to save up to 75% off the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to keep you and your family healthy. And if you happen to get some people placed under you in the matrix and you make a few extra $100 a month or a few extra $1,000 a month on top of that, even better. And the way our compensation plan works, you have the potential to earn over $2,000 a month in the matrix without ever having to enroll a single person. And if you do choose to share Live Good products and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. In fact, with our matching bonuses, just by enrolling one person, you double your earning potential. With millions of people joining Live Good in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in there. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you'll be placed in the matrix. So fill out the form on the right, and it won't take long for you to see why people are calling Live Good the most exciting company in the industry. We'll see you at the top.
All right, see you all at the top. So, right now, meron na kayong konting idea kung ano ba yung meron dito sa company ito. And mas ipapaliwanag pa natin ito dito sa ating presentation. Kaya tune in ka, don't tune out. Ayan. All right, so let's proceed. Okay,
Hi.
ayan. Okay, sino ba itong si Live Good? Okay, Live Good officially launched globally on December 13 last year, 2022. Okay, so Live Good is a US-based direct sales company focused in saan? Wellness and digital service industry. Kasi alam naman natin, lalo na yung nag-pandemic, is talagang nag-brought ito ng awareness sa atin na number one, health is really our wealth, diba? So very important yung health natin. Number two is halos lahat online na. No? So pag-aaral, pagkukonsulta, and even pag-order natin online na. So ito yung focus ng company ngayon, no? About sa wellness, matulungan tayo about sa health natin, and mas mapabilis ito through digitalization. So ating fulfillment center po ay nasa Jupiter, Florida. Okay, so Live Good is a club membership that pays. Kasi maraming club membership companies out there na hindi ka naman binabayaran or wala kang kita, in short. Okay, pero dito sa Live Good, you can earn money as a club member whether or not you refer other members to the program. Totoo ba yan? Okay, so para matutunan mo at kung totoo ba talaga, so i-discuss natin yan. Kaya tune in ka and tapusin mo yung presentation na to. Okay? So, ngayon, Live Good, unlike most home business opportunities, Live Good is not about overpriced product. While yung iba, nagtataasan na yung mga presyo ng mga products nila because syempre may inflation and maraming bagay pa. Sa atin po, hindi po tayo about overprice, but about saving people money on health products. So hindi po tayo dito, I'll tell you, mahal, wala po dito yung sa vocabulary ni Live Good ang tinatawag na mahal. Okay? Ayan. So, ngayon, if you have a passion for health and wellness, and this is for you. If you have a passion for helping people, then this is also for you. And if you're not looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, then definitely this is for you. So, ngayon, kung gusto mong matutunan kung ano yung meron dito sa company ito, so, tapusin mo yung presentation na ito. Okay? So, ngayon, I'll give you reasons why you should join this company, this amazing opportunity. Actually, there are tons of reasons, pero bibigyan kita ng 10. Okay? Yung 4 na sa last part. Okay? So, kung gusto mo matutunan, tapusin mo itong presentation na to. So, number 1, we have these amazing products. So, hindi po tayo yung isipin ibang baka isipin mo na, 'di ba? Putyo-putyo lang 'yan kasi mamaya matututunan mo kasi yung presyo eh. Pero I'll tell you, grabe, hindi po basta-basta kasi pinag-aralan eh. Kahit nga yung pag-select ng ingredients, pinag-aralan po and may testing po 'yan up to the finished product. Okay? So, grabe, ganun ka-amazing products natin and later on, mas ipapaliwanag pa natin 'yan. And number 2, we have these incredible prices. So, pag sinabi kasing nating US-based company and amazing products, nakatatak kagad sa atin, mahal, tama. Pero dito, nako, guys, magugulat ka. Okay, meron po tayong price comparison for proof na grabe, very talaga incredible yung presyohan natin dito. And number 3, no auto shipping. Hindi po tayo kagaya ng ibang company na nire-require na talagang bumili ng products para ma-maintain yung rank and at the same time makuha yung commission. So dito, hindi po tayo nire-require na ganun. And number 4, no monthly products to buy. So again, hindi ka dito ipo-push na bumili ng products monthly. Okay? So, wala na po yan dito. Yung mga pahirap, yung mga traditional, so wala na po yan. Alright? So, ganun po tayo kaganda dito. And number 5, 90 days. Empty bottle money back guarantee. Yan. So, ibig sabihin, ubusin mo yung laman ng product. Okay? Pag hindi mo nagustuhan, within 90 days, diba, inubos mo pa. So, kunwari lang, inubos mo, tapos hindi mo kunwari nagustuhan. So, isauli mo yung lalagyan ng product, no questions asked, ibabalik sa yung pera mo. Ganun po tayo ka-confident with our products. Okay, number 6, number 1, business to join. So, kung bakit number 1, so to give you idea, so I don't know if familiar kayo sa Business for Home. So, dyan po nakalagay yung statistics na lahat ng companies worldwide, okay, specifically for direct selling or MLM. Okay, so nagkaroon po ng voting, okay, ng top direct selling compensation plan. This year lang. Okay, so it was on March or April, I think. So dito po, there are about 750 plus na mga companies. Ang iba sa kanila, 10, 20, 30, and even 50 years na po sa industry. Ito matindi, di ba? Sino ba tong si Live Good? Oh, nag-top 5 lang naman po. Di ba? So ibig sabihin, there must be something. May kakaiba dito sa compensation plan kung bakit nag-top 5. And take note, hindi po robot yung nagboto dyan, tao po. Okay? So may kakaiba talaga. And nagboto ulit. Saan naman? Okay? Most trusted direct sales company of 2023. Kung kanina top 5, ngayon top 2 na po. And I believe in the future, top 1 na yan. Walang ibang papupuntahan. Okay? So, pinagkakatiwalaan siya ng tao. Kung bakit ganun na lang yung tiwala, sabi pa nga dito, no need to believe what I say. Let's see what the people say. Live Good is one of the most trusted company of 2023. Okay? So, taong bayan na po yung nagsasabi. Kumbaga, sa sa election pa, yung taong bayan ay nagluklok. 'Di ba? So, ibig sabihin may kakaiba. Ito pang lang, kumbaga bigay ng idea, 'di ba, na kung bakit ka magtitiwala at kung bakit ka magjo-join dito. Okay, so ipapaliwanag natin kung bakit gano'n na lang. Okay, yung nangyayari sa company na kabago-bago pero 'di ba, nakakasama sa mga gano'n. Okay, hindi yan basta-basta kasi mga international companies yan eh. Wala nga dito. Meron nakasama na ng mga local companies. But here's the point, kumbaga, pinag-ano siya, kumbaga pinagkakatiwalaan talaga ng tao. Kung bakit gano'n, so ipapaliwanag natin din 'yan dito sa presentation mismo. Okay, so ano ba yung mission ni Live Good? Simple lang. Okay? So siyempre, yung center talaga ni Live Good kung bakit nagawa 'to is to help, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. No, kasi gusto man natin magpaka-healthy sa panahon ngayon pero mahirap. 'Di ba kasi nagmamahalan ng mga bilihin and maraming factor 'no. So instead ay bili natin ng everyday na gulay, prutas, okay, which is yung iba din nagmamahalan na. So bibili na lang natin ng pang-ulam, pabigas na afford, okay. So dito simple lang, matulungan ka, tayong lahat na magpaka-healthy na hindi mabubutas yung bulsa mo at hindi masasaktan ng wallet mo. Okay ba 'yon? Simple but yet very powerful. Okay? So, meet our Live Good team. So, ito po ang ating CEO, si Ben Glinsky. Yun po yung nagsalita kanina. So, naging ano din siya, distributor. Eventually, naging owner din siya ng iba't ibang companies. And right now, he's continuing his mission together with his co-founders. Okay? Na marami siyang matulungan na tao. Okay? And in fact, sobrang dami niya natulungan. Okay? Kanina sinabi pa nga sa video na close to $1 billion na po yung na-payout nilang commission. So, that means na marami na po talaga natulungan and pinapatuloy po yan nila dito sa company ito. Actually, nag-retire na po itong taong 'to. So, kumbaga lumabas lang siya sa retirement kasi he wants to fix the industry. Okay? He wants to fix the industry. So, kung ano yung kailangan ayusin, so ipapaliwanag natin yan maya-maya. Okay? So, ito naman po na ang ating mga co-founders, yan si Doc Ryan Goodkin, and together with his wife, Doc Lisa Goodkin. Okay? So, sila po ang ating Director of Product Development and Director of Product Education. So, hindi po basta-basta, no, yung, syempre, ating mga products kasi may background po yung mga nagpo-formulate. Like ito si Doc Ryan, no, may doctorate in pharmacy, may degree in science and nutrition, may background din sa natural health, pagiging natural health practitioner as well as pharmacist. So each of the ingredients na nilalagay dito and yung finished product natin is talagang well studied. Okay? So gano'n po siya 'no, and kasama din ng kanyang asawa si, Lisa Goodkin. So sila po yung mismo, okay, yung talagang nag-iisip and talagang ginagawa talaga nila na, of highest quality. Okay, they make sure na highest quality ang product talaga natin dito. Okay, so once a week din nagkakaroon din sila ng, product, training, okay, and na-educate po yung ini-educate yung mga members kung ano yung product, ano yung benefits and health advices na rin. Yan, kasama din natin dito yung ating Director of Network Marketing, si Noder Kazan. So legend na po ito sa industry and sobrang dami niya na po natulungan, especially sa US. So yan, kung bakit ganun na lang yung growth ng company, it is because of these awesome people. Alright, so ngayon, actually we have 17. So kakalabas lang po, ayan, nilagay na po natin dito. Ayan, ang ating collagen peptides and ang ating patches, no? So yan po, meron nadagdagan ng CBD pain relief and madadagdagan pa po. And according according to my as far as I know, okay, madadagdagan pa po 'yan and working na po yung ating product co-founders. Ayan, magkakaroon tayo soon ng aromatherapy and marami pa po. Okay, in the future. So right now, meron po tayong mga 17 products. Okay, life-changing kasi syempre pag ginamit mo talagang magbabago yung buhay mo. Okay, sa health aspect. Alright, so not just that, we have highest quality products, the purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations on the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. So, high quality. Kasi nga, of course, made in the US. So, kung stricto tayo, lalo na sa US. Okay, lalo na pag approved by the GMP. Not just that, our products are also lab tested for purity and potency. So, ibig sabihin, from the ingredients, pag selection of ingredients and to the finished products, tinest po yan na syempre of purity talaga and talagang high quality ang ating mga products. So, in fact, ang mga product po natin, each of the product to be exact, of Live Good is tested and approved under a recognized laboratory. So ito po ay sample, no. Ayan, no. So certificate of analysis, if you know mga mga chemist or mga medical people like pharmacists or mga doctor. So yan, alam nila basahin yan. Ako di ko alam yung basahin. So pinapakita lang po diyan yung pagte-test ng mga products kung merong bang tawag ito, merong bang pwedeng maka-harm, no, na sa atin. Ayan, sa pagtinig natin yan yung mga chemical diyan, all those stuff. So, ayan po yan 'no, and ang matindi nun kasi open to in public. Alam niyo po bihira lang ako makita ng certificate of analysis na company. Actually ito pa lang to be exact. Okay, ito pa lang company nakita ko na open sila in public. Mostly na mga companies hindi po. Kasi andiyan po lahat, nakalagay yung mga result kung may chemical ba diyan nahahalo or whatsoever, 'di ba? So gano'n tayo ka-confident na high quality ang products natin. Each of the product, okay, tinest po 'yan. Okay? So hindi lang 'yan, okay, ang ating mga products ay GMP approved. So 'pag sinabi nating GMP, ano 'yan, highest standard 'yan of quality. Okay? So, to give you idea, hindi lang po isang area tinitingnan ng GMP. Okay, nandiyan po yung location, machinery, processing, sanitary, maintenance, and personnel. Okay? Talagang istrikto talaga, pinaka-stricto talaga 'yan na guidelines. Okay? And not just that, ang ating mga products ay caffeine-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, soy-free, third-party lab tested. So, yun po pinakita ko sa inyo kanina na certificate of analysis. So, third party po yun. Hindi po yun yung Live Good lang gumagawa-gawa. Kumbaga, may third party certification na may mga ibang entity na nagte-test. Okay, na ma-sure, na makita kung kung approved ba yung product na to na high quality and at the same time organic. Okay? So, ganun po tayo dito. And 100% vegan, GMP, certified, keto-friendly, non-GMO, nut-free, and USDA organic. So that means of high quality and organic ang mga products natin dito. Okay? So we have wellness for all. Meron tayong iba't ibang categories: men's health, nutrition, women's health, skincare, body cleansing, anti-aging, immunity, weight management, and energy. So kumbaga, lahat ng kakailanganin mo ng katawan mo nandito na. So bibili ka dito, okay, kung saan or kung ano yung gusto mo, okay, kung ano yung kailangan ng katawan mo. And in fact, in 2 years mahigit, 2 years time, we will be having 200 plus products and soon mga services din. Alright? So, ganun po kaganda ito kasi continuous innovation. And kung bakit ganun na lang, di ba, maraming products malalagay kasi ibang business model ang meron dito. Club membership. So, pag sinasayang club membership na yan, kaya alam. So, papaliwanag natin yan. So, huwag kang mag-alala. Okay? So, how do I order products? So, dahil mag-order dito, number 1, consumer. And nagpe-pay ka ng mababang presyo and lalo na pag nag-member ka. Okay? So, ang maganda dito kasi Live Good is available in 200 plus countries. We are e-commerce plus drop shipping ready. That means in 200 plus countries, magagawa natin yung business and at the same time, matatanggap natin yung products. Company po yung mag-ship ng products natin. Ganon katindi. Alam niyo po, sobrang na-appreciate ko po ito kasi previously in my company, may mga products naman kami, may muna, intangible. Okay? So ngayon nag-release ng tangible product. So, may mga leaders kami from ibang bansa, specifically in Middle East. Gusto matry yung products, but hirap na hirap po kami kasi walang legalities. Okay? So, hindi makakapag-ship yung company pag walang legalities. Hindi makakapag-ship sa ibang bansa. Dito, ang matindi, 200 plus countries, makakapag-ship tayo ng products. Sa mga nagtatanong, legal ba yan? Actually, mayroon na pong ni-release. Pwede i-search po sa Florida. Ayan, sa nila, government. Meron pong tawag dito, legalities. Sa mga naghahanap ng legalities. At ito pa lang po actually, ito pang patunay. Kasi kami nga, dati, grabe, hirap na hirap kami. May kompleto yung SEC, DTI, lahat na. Okay, pero hirap pa rin mag-ship ng products. Pero ito po, sa Live Good, grabe, niratsyado na po lahat. Okay? Except for the communist na mga country. Siyempre, mahirapan tayo doon. So, in 200 plus countries, magagawa natin yung business and matatanggap natin yung products. Amazing, di ba? Grabe. So, talagang made siya for global. Okay? And ngayon, pag Live Good member ka, you can save up to 75% compared to products in other MLM companies. So, kung bakit ganun? Kasi ibang concept nga po ito, club membership, which is I'll be explaining later on. So ngayon meron tayong konting insider on what is really happening behind the scenes sa mga companies, most of the companies of the industry. Okay, so meron tayong analogy. Parang ganito kasi yan. So alam niyo po yung yung story ni David and Goliath. So pinatumba ni David si Goliath with just one stone. So si Goliath siya po yung mga nagre-represent sa mga price gouging MLMs. And tayo po si David, okay, si Live Good. So ito po yung mga price gouging MLM. So ito it is not to be against on other companies or i-badmouth sila or siraan or whatsoever. So ito po yung kumbaga insider. Kumbaga, ano lang, real talk lang, okay? Kumbaga, ano talaga yung nangyayari sa most of the companies. Ganito kasi yan, most of the companies out there, nagpapatong ng pagkalaki-laki ng products, 10 times up to 14 times sa mga products. Okay, bakit? Okay. Actually, kailangan yung gawin kasi doon po nila kukunin yung commission. Okay, yung commission ng mga tinatawag nating mga uplines, mga top earner, doon kinukuha yung mga pampasweldo ng mga empleyado, country manager, okay, sa pambayad sa mga rent, mga office, no? And at the same time, pambayad sa artista. Naku, pag may artista, asahan niyo po sa products yan kinukuha. Okay, yung pambayad. And doon din kinukuha pagka may mga event, doon kinukuha sa mga products, and at the same time sa kita din ng company owners doon po kinukuha sa products. Okay? So, ano po yung point? Ganong concept po, according sa ating CEO, hindi naman ako naging may-ari, no? So, according sa ating CEO, and kahit mag-research kayo, no, 95% make little or no money pag ganun yung concept. Kasi bakit? Number one, mahal yung product. Kahit sila, hirap mag-maintain. And ako, aminado kami. Grabe, meron po kaming no, dati, product. Okay, so medyo nauuso na yung mga, hindi ko na babanggitin. Basta may product yun. Grabe, ang mahal talaga as in. Ang mahal. And natenga po, until now, natenga po nandun po sa bahay namin. As in, ang mahal talaga. Okay? So, hindi po ibig sabihin po na mahal po yung products. Okay, kasi quality. Mahal po yung products kasi doon po kinukuha yung commission. Okay? And pag ganun po yung concept, 95% hindi po masyadong kumikita. Konti or wala talagang kita. Ang kumikita lang 3 to 5%. Okay? Yung kumikita lang ng 6 figures, yung mga nakikita natin mga idol, ayan, 1% lang po yan sila. Okay? Ayan, so ano talaga, kumbaga yung mga struggle talaga pag ganun. And even yung mga top earner, hirap sila i-keep yung team. Kaya nga yung natin, company owner si Ben, nag-retire siya. Nag-retire na talaga siya. Okay, kasi nga ganun nga yung nakikita niyang statistics. Pero since ayan, kumbaga itong si Noder, ayan, sabi niya, the days of selling overpriced products to a few people at the top of a compensation plan get rich are over. Tapos na po yan. So siya po yung nagnag kay Ben na we must do this, 'di ba? Kasi kailangan tayo ng industry. We must fix the broken industry. So ngayon, whether we like it or yes, si Live Good po, okay, wala. Papahinain po or wala, papatumbahin po natin yung mga price gouging M&Ms na yan. Kasi kokonti lang talagang kumikita dyan sa mga ganun. Okay, kahit yung mga top earners, hirap i-keep yung team. Ang attrition sobrang taas. Kasi nga, ang mahal ng products, kahit yung mga, normal members, hirap i-maintain yung products. At kahit sila, hindi masyado na-maintain yung products kasi ang mahal talaga. So ngayon, binago po ni Live Good. In fact, halos konti na lang talaga yung kinikita ni Live Good. Hindi na tayo nag-mark up ng pagkalaki-laki. Okay, kasi we want to fix the industry. Okay? Nai-gets nyo po. So ganun po siya. Okay? So ngayon, kung hindi na masyadong pinagkakitaan ng company yung product, so saan po kumikita yung company? Okay? So ngayon yun yung ipapaliwanag din natin ngayon. So tune in ka para matutunan mo. So meron po tayong price comparison. So gaano ba ka-incredible yung prices natin? So 'di ba sinabi ko kanina, incredible yung prices. So other companies like ito, Young Living Green Roads, $80, $90. 'Di ba? 500 milligram yan sila. Sa atin, di lang natin tinapatan, hinigitan pa. Daw CBD oil po marami pong benefits yan like sa pag-treat sa mga may mga depression, anxiety, may mga cancer, sa nakatulong din sa pagtulog. Sa atin, hindi lang natin tinapatan, hinigitan pa. With just $18, 750 milligram. Kaya pricing pa lang grabe. Alam niyo sa US, sobrang dami nang sisilipatan. Bakit? Ito pa lang kamamahal yung nila, yung pagbili nila, tapos 500 milligram naman. Sa atin $18. No-brainer eh. Kaya lipat talaga. Pricing pa lang, wala. Tapos na yung laban, tapos na yung boxing. Okay? Ano pa? Ito, super green. So, may nakakain ng gulay. Ito, maganda to for cleansing, detoxification. Athletic greens, magkano? $100. Organifi green juice, $70. Sa atin, grabe, $18. Ano pa? Ito, serum sa mga gusto magpabata. Ayan, sa mga, sorry for the term, nangungulubot na. Sa kanila, other competitor, $86, $60, sa atin 14.95. Kahit pa mag 50% off pa sila, wala. Hindi nila kakayanin. Kasi iba po yung concept ng business meron dito. Kaya ganun po, kaya pong gawin ng company na wholesale yung price. Okay? Ano pa ito, multivitamin, 60 capsules. O pag members price ka, around 500 plus mo lang makukuha. Ito naman, Super Green, Super Reds, around 29.95 pag retail, pag members price $18. Okay, ito naman good for Super Reds natin, good for cardiovascular health and brain and cognitive function. So, ayan po siya. And ito po yung coffee, 28.95 and members price 17.95. Okay, so excited na rin tayo no na matanggap yung ating products kasi nag-order rin tayo. Okay, so retail price $34 and $22 naman itong complete plant-based protein. Yan sa mga nagji-gym and nagbi-build ng muscles. Yan po. So ngayon, how to become a Live Good member? Simple lang, balikan mo yung sponsor mo, nag-invite sa'yo, hingin mo yung link niya. So pay $9.95 per month. Yes, tama po yung pagkadinig nyo per month. So hindi po dito one time, okay? May one time pero mayroon tayong babayaran per month. Okay? So pero makakapag-discount ka if annual ka magbabayad. So buy products at wholesale or almost a factory price or members price. So if magbabayad tayo monthly, so ano pala yung concept na yan, okay? So ito muna, no, paliwanag muna natin konti. Actually, lahat po ng businesses may evolution. Okay, 'di ba? Yung pag-access natin ng information. Una-una, newspaper muna, nag-evolve to radio, into TV, and right now, meron tayong gadget like laptop and smartphone. So, ang bilis lang, no? Search na natin Google, andyan ka agad, di ba? Same din, pagbili natin, di ba? Dati, barter muna, naging market, di ba? So, ngayon, limited lang. So, nag-supermarket, halos lahat andun na. And right now, e-commerce, online na. Okay? Like Amazon, sa atin, Shopee, Lazada, eBay, okay, ano pa ba? Alibaba, yan. And marami pa actually. And same with the business concept. Okay? Like ito, old multi-level system. Okay? Yan po yung nagbebenta ng products, di ba? Pag nagbebenta, doon kikita commission. Then nakabenta yung team, yan, doon kakikita. Yan, yun po yung multi-level system. And next, nag-binary. Di ba? May left and right. And maraming heads, maraming accounts. O, sinong familiar niyan? Ayan, di ba? So, nag-evolve ulit. Hybrid binary, tapos multi-level system. Okay? So, kumbaga lahat in-associate na. Ayan, kumbaga meron binary, may left and right, may unilevel, may stair-step, or kung ano pa man yan. Pero same story pa rin yan, price gouging. Okay? Nagpapatong pa rin ng pagkalaki-laki sa products. And doon nag-struggle. Okay? Doon nag-struggle yung mga members. Okay? But right now, thanks God kasi talagang lumabas sa retirement ang ating company owner. So ngayon bago na po, affiliate marketing with subscription that pays. Wherein wala na pong price gouging. All right? Ayan. Okay? So ngayon, sabi pa ni Usher, if you don't evolve, you dissolve. You evolve or you evaporate. We will force everybody to evolve. Ito na po yung bagong evolution. Okay? Di ba? Sa mga di ba? Sa mga balikan natin yung science, di ba? Hindi ako fan ng ng masyado ng science, pero naalala ko lang, 'di ba? Sabi ni Charles Darwin, 'di ba, yung theory of evolution, yung mga species na nakaka-survive, yun yung mga nakaka-adapt sa surroundings. Tama. So ngayon, if these companies hindi sila mag-adapt, wala tayong magagawa. Okay? It's either they evolve or they dissolve or evaporate. Kasi evolution talaga eh. Change is the only constant thing in the world. Pag hindi magbabago, wala. Marami pa ring pahirap. So dito, tinanggal na po ni Live Good yung mga pahirap. So this is a complete revolution or evolution. Okay? Ayan. So, ganun po siya. So, anong concept natin dito? Subscription. Okay? Very powerful, very, bago, and at the same time, proven and tested na po siya. So, ano ba itong subscription na yan? Yan. It is a business model, recurring revenue model in which customer pay weekly, monthly, or yearly. Anong kapalit? Products or services. Simple lang, di ba? So, paano ba yan? If meron kayong SIM card, alam nyo ba ibig sabihin ng SIM card? SIM, S-I-M. Subscribers Identity Module. Okay, lahat tayo meron 'yan, tama? No, mostly sa atin 'yan o sa mga hindi nakapag-register na expired na. Ayan, so lahat tayo meron 'yan and 'di ba nagpapa-load tayo sa mga prepaid subscriber. Nagpapa-load tayo and inire-register natin sa combo, okay? Ayan, mayroong 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, meron ding 1 month, yeah. So customers can renew their subscription after a certain period of time. 'Di ba? So pag nag-expire, 'di ba, pag gusto natin nagpapa-load tayo ulit. Ang tawag sa atin, subscriber. Okay? This model allows you to leverage your customer relationship to create steady stream of income. Okay? In fact, kahit nga yung internet, yung cable nyo, di ba? Pag nagbabayad kayo monthly. O tayo, nagbabayad tayo monthly. Kami, nagbabayad din kami. Okay? And then, ano enjoy natin? Malakas sa internet. Okay? O sa iba, may mga TV. O na-enjoy nila yung maraming channel sa TV. O kahit yung kuryente tubig nyo. O, nagbabayad kayo monthly and ano na-enjoy nyo? Siyempre, tubig kuryente. And pag hindi kayo nagbayad, putol yung benefits. So, why is it important? Siyempre, na-enjoy natin yung benefits ng subscription. So, kaya nang sabi ko sa inyo, yung sa SIM, di ba? Yung sa internet, sa cable. Okay? And maganda ito kasi it increase customer loyalty and strong customer base. Yung tao nag-stay kasi na-enjoy nila yung benefits. So, ano yung advantage ito? Subscription payments lower the barrier to entry for products and services and allow more potential to customers to purchase your products. Kasi nga, mura na nga yung yung products. Yung products or services. So, saan bumabawi? Sa subscription. Kaya marami talaga yung nakaka-avail. Yung concept lang naman ito, it's towards the affordability and value. Okay? So, ano yung mga popular club membership? Ayan, ito po, Amazon Prime, ayan, Sam's Club, Costco. So, ito po sila, kumbaga, meron silang physical and online shop. So, yung tao nagbabayad monthly or yearly and na-enjoy nila yung mga perks or mga benefits or mga privilege na ino-offer nila. Okay? Like, mga discounted na mga products like sa Costco. Ayan, Sam's Club. Sa Amazon Prime naman may mga free shipping, gano'n. Itong Netflix naman same din, pati yung Disney Plus Premium, nagbabayad yung tao monthly or yearly and enjoy nila yung maraming movies. Oh, ano pa, ito naman streaming services dito sa Pinas. Netflix, HBO Go, Amazon Prime, yan marami pa yan. Okay? Oh, na-enjoy ng mga subscriber yung yung maraming movies. Okay, maraming movies diyan. Ito naman gym, kaway-kaway sa may mga club member ng gym. Na-enjoy yung mga syempre facilities doon sa loob ng gym. At kahit anong mga branches, pwede niyang ma-access. Okay? So ganun po siya. And ano pa? Ito, sino mga familiar nito sa mga life plans? Ayan. St. Peter, 'di ba? So, ito, hindi ko sinasabi na hindi ito importante. So, of course, importante din 'to. Okay, but here's the point, nagagamit lang po natin once na ito sa St. Peter, 'di ba? Pag chogi na, 'di ba? Magkano binabayaran, no? As low as 825. Okay, ito naman 1.5 lang per month. Okay, sa atin magkano? 9.95. 'Di ba? Here's the point. Okay? I'm not saying again na hindi 'to importante. Importante din 'to. Alright? But 'di ba dito nga hindi nga tayo nagrereklamo, 'di ba? Nagagamit lang natin once na, 'di ba? O yung chogi na o pag may nangyayari, 'di ba? So ito pa kaya na siyempre habang buhay ka na-enjoy mo na yung benefits. Alright? So ganun po siya. Okay? So gaano kalaki yung ganitong concept ng business or itong subscription? So to give example, ito mo yung Netflix. So 'di ba yung tao nagbabayad ng monthly or yearly, mga around 500 and na-enjoy natin is na-enjoy ng mga subscriber is movies, 'di ba? To give you idea, this first quarter lang, this 2023, alam niyo ba magkano na-generate na revenue ni Netflix? Umabot ng 8.16 billion US dollar. Take note, US dollar po 'yan. And last year lang 2022 magkano yung revenue niya? 31.6 billion. Ikaw hindi mo feel na ganun kinikita ni Netflix ng may-ari. 'Di ba? Kasi magkano lang binabayaran mo eh. 'Di ba? Proven ba? Tested na ba yung ganitong concept ng business? Yes. From 2013 to 2023, tingnan niyo na lang po, palaki ang kanilang revenue. 'Di ba? Ano pa? Itong si Zoom. Ito si Zoom. So, kung hindi kami naka-subscribe, so malamang sa malamang tapos na tayo kanina pa kasi 40 minutes lang yung free ni Zoom. Proven na ba? Tested na ba? Yes. From 2018 to 2022, tingnan niyo lang po yung revenue. Palaki. 'Di ba? May kita ba kami ng mga subscriber? Wala. Amazon Prime, kaway-kaway sa mga Prime members, especially nasa US. Ayan, alam nyo ba, there are about 200 million plus members na ng Amazon. And sa retail subscription fees pa lang, sa mga binabayaran ng tao monthly or yearly, alam niyo magkano kinikita ni Amazon? 25.21 billion US dollar. Ganun po kalaki. Ang mga Prime members, na-enjoy na yung benefits, pero walang kitaan dyan. Okay? Ano pa? Costco. Itong Costco, membership, club membership din, and 123 plus million na mga members, and tingnan niyo pa yung revenue niya. Palaki. Di ba? Ano na-enjoy ng mga subscriber, mga discounted na mga products. Okay? And ito matindi. Tingnan nyo naman po, di ba, from 2011 to last year, 2022, their sales are going through the roof. Grabe, no? Pataas ang pataas. Ito matindi. Nagka-pandemic pa. Nagka-gera pa. Some part of US nagkagulo pa, di ba? Pero itong mga company to, chill lang. Palaki ng palaki ang sales nila. 'Di ba? While yung ibang company nagsarado na, ito grabe ang lakas. So that means sobrang effective and sobrang proven na po ang ganitong concept ng business. Pero ang tanong, kumita ba ang mga subscribers diyan, mga club member? Wala, walang kita. Pero ito tatanungin kita, what if may company na same concept ng business wherein nai-enjoy ng mga members ang high quality but wholesale price ng mga health products, but at the same time bibigyan ka ng kita. Willing ka ba tingnan ito? Ayun, okay. So right now, andito na po tayo sa second part. Okay? So ang tanong, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Ayun, or more per month. Highlight natin. Even without enrolling a single person. Yes, you heard it right. Kahit wala kang napasali or na-invite, pwede ka pa rin kumita. Ayan, curious ka na. For those interested in earning with Live Good, stay for the second part of the presentation. Okay? So, Live Good affiliates, we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. So, sobrang ganda po and sobrang, very unique po ang compensation plan ng company ito. Okay? So ngayon, how to become an affiliate member? Simple lang, balikan mo yung sponsor mo, hingan mo yung link niya. So pay one time $49.95 on your first month. So that would be around $2,850 or $2,900. But kung mag-yearly ka, that would be around $7,900 or $8,000. Okay? So 1 year na po yan, membership plus yung subscription mo. Okay? So pero kung mag-monthly ka lang, magbabayad tayo ng $9.95 on our following month. So that would be around $570 pesos. So yun lang. Okay? Ganun lang po siya. So ano makukuha natin sa 14.95? So ididiretsahin na kita, wala pong physical products yan. Kasi ito pong membership natin dito, yan na po actually yung product natin. Okay? Which gives us the access to another products. Okay? Which is wholesale price and syempre high quality. So anong nakukuha nating benefits? Number 1, access to membership club. Lahat ng mga benefits like wholesale price ng mga products. Okay? Ayan, ma-access po natin yan. And in the future, magkakaroon din tayo ng services. And digital marketing products. So, lahat ng products natin dito, digital na, nasa online na. Okay? And also, you can participate in the compensation plan. Hindi lang yan. Meron ka pong website. Ganun po katindi. Hindi lang isa, dalawa, 4 po. Okay, number 1, we have this retail site. So, parang ano po yan, yun na po yung natin sinasabing e-commerce plus dropshipping ready. In 200 plus countries, yan, mayroon po tayong link niyan. Lahat tayo pag nag-member, okay? And pag nag-order tayo or even yung ating mga customer, okay, nag-order sila. So yan, nandyan po lahat ng information, yung prices, price comparison, and even yung certificate of analysis andyan po. So yan po, binigyan po tayong retail site. Hindi lang yan, Powerline landing page. So pag gusto natin magpa-member, dito lang po tayong mag-fill up, first name, last name, email, and nandyan po yung short video ng ating CEO si Ben. Okay? So grabe po, corporate site, andyan po yung about sa company, the mission, yan, about the company owners, and ayan, Super Reds landing page. And hindi lang po yan, madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, in the future. Iba't ibang products magkakaroon ng kanilang landing page. Grabe, no? So, ayan po, itong ating Super Red. So, meron po siyang video explanation. And pag gusto na mag-order ng ating mga customer, so, ayan, nasa baba. Mag-order lang po sila. Ay, so gano'n po, grabe. As in, yung 14.95, nako, hindi lang sulit, sobrang sulit. Kasi ang mahal po mapagawa nito. Kasi sobrang ganda. Ito, nako, kukulangin pa. Kung mag-hire ka ng ano, gumagawa ng mga website, nako, kukulangin pa 14.95. Baka ikaw papagawan. Okay, ikaw na lang gumawa niyan pag ano, 'di ba? Sabihin ng mga gumagawa ng mga website. Ito, sobrang sulit po talaga, as in. Okay, so ngayon, the compensation plan structure will be powered by a powerful dalawa. Dalawa lang, okay? Wala tayong left and right, binary, wala na po. Okay? Unilevel and force matrix po ang meron tayo dito. So, paano ba yan? So, don't worry, papaliwanag din natin yan. Okay? So, we have these 7 ways to earn. So, nandito sa left side, we have weekly fast start, video commissions, influencer bonuses, diamond bonus pool, and crown diamond bonus pool. And nandito sa right side yung time matrix commission. And mapapansin nyo sa gitna may matching kasi bakit? Kinumbine po silang dalawa. So we'll be explaining that later on. Okay? So isa-isahin natin para hindi ka malito, hindi ka ma-overwhelm. Okay? Number 1, we have this weekly fast start or common sa atin tinatawag to as direct referral. Okay? So weekly, ibig sabihin weekly natin natatanggap. Simple lang, pag may nag-register sa iyo sa link mo, nagbayad ng 14.95, automatic may $25 ka in the following week. Okay, so gano'n lang po siya kasimple. $25 every may napapa-enroll ka or every time may napapasali ka. Okay? So ang maganda ito kasi infinite wide. Alright? And as you rank up, the higher, the deeper, okay? The deeper the level, syempre, the bigger the income will be. Yan, 10 levels deep. Pag nag-rank up ka, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and up to diamond, up to 10 levels. Up to 10 levels po yan. So, ngayon, paano ba mag-rank up? So, papanood din natin yan later, huwag kang mag-alala. Mga ito kasi, meron kang additional na income. So, ito, semi-passive siya kasi kahit team na, I mean yung yung team mo yung nag-e-effort, may kita ka pa rin. Okay? So, ganoon po siya. Ayan. So, ito po sample ng weekly earnings. I don't know kung kanino to. Ayan. So, for the month of June, grabe. So, pagka ginawa mo talaga yung business, ito po yung pwedeng mangyari sa inyo. Okay, so according sa kanya, hindi pa niya na-experience makapag 6 figures sa previous company niya. Dito lang sa Live Good. Okay, so yan po kumita siya ng $2,000 plus or 115,000. Wala pa diyan hindi pa diyan kasama yung monthly income. Weekly pa lang po 'yan, 'di ba? Sulit, 'di ba? Okay, hindi lang 'yan, meron pa ito. Grabe 'no? So, katiting pa lang yung kanina kasi ito po grabe, may kumikita po ng 500,000 plus. Sa weekly fast start pa lang, grabe, 'no? So, yan po yung future natin. So, yan po ay proof na puwedeng mangyari, doable and possible po siya. Okay. So, ngayon paano mag-rank up? Okay, dito 'pag mag-bronze ka ang hirap. Gano'n kahirap, 2 tao lang pasalihin mo bronze ka na. Gano'n po kahirap. Okay, so anong benefits natin? Meron kang up to 2 levels. Yan, may 50% plus 10%. So if I were you, pasalihin mo yung family member mo, 'no? Like, asawa mo, 2 anak mo, magulang mo or ikaw, 'di ba? Basta family member mo. Okay? So bronze ka na 'pag may napasali kang 2 of your family member or any member, okay? Ayan. Tapos ayan, ito naman, number 2 is silver rank. So, paano ba yan? Yung benefits up to 4th level na. And paano mag-silver rank? Simple lang, it's either mag-20 directs ka or 10 directs plus team of 20 or di kaya may 3 directs ka na nag-bronze or sa line nila or plus team of 20. So, silver ka na. Okay? And pag gold naman, yung benefits mo, mayroon kang nadagdagan na 5th to 6th level. Okay, 3%, 2%. And paano mag-gold? Simple lang, 30 directs plus team of 100 or di kaya 3 of your directs nag-silver or sa line nila nag-silver plus team of 100 or di kaya 4 of your directs may tig 30, yung 3 and yung isa 10. So 100, so gold ka na. Rank. Okay, so platinum naman, so ang iyong lingkod po, ayan, so platinum tayo, 7 to 8 levels yung benefits natin. And paano mag-platinum? 100 directs, okay, plus team of 500 or di kaya 3 of your directs or sa line nila may nag-gold plus team of 500 or di kaya 4 of your directs may tig 150 po yung 3 na total team plus yung isa 50. So total of 500, platinum ka na. Alright? And ito naman diamond up to 9 to 10th level. Okay, yung benefits mo. So nadagdagan. Ito po yung mga elite rank. Okay? So as of now, okay, as far as I know, ito yung 3rd highest rank. Okay? Yan kasi may nadagdagan na. Ayan, so ayan sa ano naman diamond, paano ma-achieve? Okay, 3 of your directs nag-platinum plus team of 2-5. Yo, ayan, diamond ka. Or di kaya 5 of your directs may team sila na tig pa 500. Okay? So yan, total of 2,500 diamond ka na. So ganun lang po siya. Alright? So ito naman crown diamond. So at least 5, okay? Or more, okay? Pero at least 5 na legs mo, okay? Or 5 na ano mo, line mo. Okay, na may tig 10,000 na total members team. So lahat yan 50,000. So yan, crown diamond ka na. Okay, so ganun lang po. So ngayon, ito naman po yung 2x15 matrix monthly commission. So ito po siya, kung bakit 2x15, 2 siya, kung bakit? Kasi ikaw po nasa taas. So multiple of 2 lang po yan. Ikaw, tas nasa baba mo, tigda dalawa. Kakabitan ka po ng dalawa. At yung dalawa nasa baba mo, kakabitan ng tigda dalawa. Kaya ikaw, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, and so on and so forth. Kung bakit 15? Kasi up to 15th level. So nangyari po yan, force matrix po ito. Ibig sabihin, hindi ikaw yung mag-a-assign na italagay ko dito si ano, kay Pulano, hindi po. System po yung maglalagay. Okay? So ang maganda ito kasi even without enrolling, may chance ka pa rin na kumita. Okay, but I highly suggest na syempre mas gawin yung negosyo kasi mas malaking kitaan pag tinatrabaho. Alright? So ngayon, paano naman 'to nangyayari? Ito monthly 'to. Ayan, nakalagay nga monthly. So pag nagbabayad, under mo, kahit invite mo man yan or hindi, nagbabayad sila ng $9.95 per month. Magkano, may kikitain ka po dyan na $0.25. Okay? Oh, so grabe no, ganun kaganda, 'di ba? Kahit ngayong mga abangers or waiter or waitresses binibigyan ng chance na kumita. Okay? Ayan, so ganito po 'yan. So ngayon, okay, pagka ano ka unranked or wala kang napasali, so from level 1 to level 12, okay? That is ayan, may mga tao po 'yan. Ikaw 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. So pag napuno 'yan, yung maximum na pwede mong kitain is 2,047.50. Okay? So pag nag-rank up ka, mas malaki pwede mong kitain like bronze, silver, $4,000 plus dollars, gold, platinum, $8,000 plus dollars, and diamond, $16,000 plus dollars. Okay? So ang tanong, kailangan ba punuin muna before kami bayaran yan? Actually, kahit hindi na mapuno. Kahit may isa dyan, 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, 1,000, kahit ilan yan, basta nagsusubscribe sila ng 570 at nalagay under you. Okay? Under you sa matrix mo. Okay? May kita ka po dyan na $0.25. Ganun po siya. Okay? So, ayan, sa mga abangers or sa mga waiter or waitresses, worth it ba? Ayan. Is it worth it for matrix waiters? Ayan. O, ito yung mga tanong din. Worth it ba yan? Baka hindi ako malugi. Ipasalik pamilya ko, di ba? Baka malugi lang ako dyan. Ayan. So, ito scenario. Okay? Scenario. Okay, para hindi basta ang importante lang dito, wag kang mainip. Wag kang mainip kasi pag mainip ka, talo ka dito. Okay? Yung tipong, 'di ba, ilang buwan pa lang, 'di ba? Gusto mo 100,000 kaagad. Walang ganoon, 'di ba? Waiter ka na nga lang, 'di ba? So, pero to give you idea, 'di ba? Worth it. Worth it ba talaga? O naghihintay ka lang. O ito, sample. 'Di ba itong matrix natin, 'di ba, ikaw sa baba may 2, sa baba nila 4, 8, 16, ayan, hanggang sa 12 level, 4,096. Or yung total, 8,190 people. Okay, so ngayon, itong 2 to 6, 1 to 4th level, yung kikitain mo dyan, minimum of $0.50 to $8 per month. Okay? So, hindi yan enough para bayaran yung 9.95 monthly subscription mo. Okay? Pero, pag nagtutuloy-tuloy ka, kasi malalagyan yan eh. Pag umabot ng 5th level up to 12 level, ayan, minimum $16, maximum of 2,047.50 per month, dollars per month. So this is enough to pay your monthly $9.85 monthly subscription, and now you're in profits levels. Kumikita ka na po niyan. Scenario, sabihin natin 1 year. Okay, $9.95 yung binabayaran mo, kay 1 year napuno po yung 1 year napuno yung ito sila. Mabot ng 8,190 yung 12 level. Worth it ba? Yung ginastos mo lang 6,000 plus pesos. Kumikita ka after nun, kumikita ka na ng 100 plus thousand per month. Per month po ha, per month. Okay? Sabihin natin hindi nangyari, hindi nag-manifest 3 years. Magkano binayaran mo? 20,000. 20,000 pesos. Worth it ba after niyan? 20,000 lang ginastos mo ha. Pero kumita ka after no ng 100,000 plus. Worth it ba? O worst case scenario. Okay, worst case scenario 5 years. Huwag ka lang mainip, bayaran mo lang. Okay, huwag ka lang mainip 5 years. Okay, nagbabayad ka ng $9.95 per month, okay? Magkano ginastos mo? 33,620 pesos. And right after niyan, kumikita ka na ng 114,000 pesos per month. Hindi na po hinihinto, per month na po 'yan. Okay? Oh, but to tell you ha, yang 6,000, 20,000, 33,000 actually, okay, hindi na po ikaw yung nagbabayad niyan. Bakit? Hindi naman po yan hihintayin lahat yan na mapuno before ka bayaran eh. Kasi per month may matatanggap ka na niyan eh. Pag umabot 5th level up to 12th level, syempre, 'di ba? In your profits level na, 'di ba? Enough na yan para bayaran yung subscription mo. Ang matindi niyan kasi dito na po yan nanggagaling. And actually, hindi na po ikaw yung naglalabas ng pera. Hindi ka na naglalabas ng pera niyan. Saan mo kinukuha yung pambayad niyan? Dito po oh, 5th level to 12th level. Self-paying. Anong nangyari sa iyo? Ano ka na, tawag nito, may pension. O, 'di ba? Worth it ba? O, kayo na mag-compute. 'Di ba? Basta wag ka lang maiinip. Pero I highly suggest mas gawin yung negosyo. Kasi bakit? Mas malaking pwede niyong kitain kaysa maging abangers lang. O, 'di ba? So, 'yan, ito sa mga for sake lang na sa mga ano no, sa mga nagtatanong kung worth it ba kahit 5 years. Oh, worth it. Ako na po magsasabi sa inyo, worth it. Wag ka lang mainip. Ayos ba? Okay? So, 'yan. Okay, meron tayong matching bonus. Ito matindi kasi this will beat other kitaan dito. Ito yung may pinakamalaki talaga, matching bonus. Ito wala tong left and right Mina-match po dito kung magkano income ng mga directs mo, may 50% ka po. O, paano ba yan? For example, di ba, ikaw, na-invite mo si Pedro, kumita ng $1,000 sa matrix niya. Kasi lahat tayo may matrix. May matrix ako, ikaw, family mo may matrix pag sumali din sila. Lahat tayo may matrix. So ngayon, kumita si Pedro again ng $1,000, may $500 ka. Ganun lang po siya, simple. Si Juan naman, kumita ng $500, dahil na-refer mo, may 250 ka. O, si ano naman, Maria, kumita ng $100, ikaw may 50 ka. O, si Marites, kumita ng $200. Instead na mga kapitbahay yung chinichismis, si Live Good na lang ang chismis. Kumikita pa. O, kumita ka ng $100. Still kumita siya ng $200. Infinite wide. Okay? Ibig sabihin, unlimited. Grabe. Ikaw yung magsiset ng income mo dito. Oh, so ngayon, ito, bigyan ko kayo ng scenario. So ito I suggest na na go for pasalihin mo yung family member mo, family account. So ngayon, pag nag-bronze ka, pasalihin mo lang yung two of your family member, okay? Ayan, bronze ka na nun. Okay? So magkano yung income mo, okay, pag bronze ka? That would be around $4,095.50. Maximum pagka napuno, yan lahat. Okay? Yung matrix mo. So ngayon, magkano kinikita ng family member mo? 2,047. So kaya nangyari po 4,095 kasi dalawa sila. Okay? So dahil na-refer mo silang dalawa, invite mo sila, may kalahati ka, 2,047.50. So kayong tatlo, okay, i-add mo lang yan sila lahat. Ang kinikita nyo is $10,238 or that is 500,000 monthly income. Grabe, no? Simpleng pamilya lang, no? Pero kumikita ng 500,000. Kayong tatlo, combine. 'Di ba? Sulit ba? Nagsusubscribe lang kayo, naghintay lang kayo. Pero I suggest mas gawin nyo kasi mas malaki pwede kitain. Okay? So, sabihin natin, ka, 20 direct. Yung 20 direct na yan, sabihin natin mga bising tao or happy subscriber na lang. Hinintay lang mapuno yung kanilang matrix. So, kumikita sila ng $2,047.50. Sila lahat. Okay? So, meron kang kalahati, imamatch sa'yo, $1,023.75. So, all in all, magkano kinikita mo? $20,475. Kahit simpleng nanay, kayang gawin to 20x. Okay? And in the future, grabe, simpleng nanay, kumikita ng 1.1 million monthly income. Grabe, that is month after month after month after month after month. 'Di ba? So sa ibang company sabihin, 'di ba, pag kumita ng 200, 300, half million, 'di ba, tawag sa iyo Lodi, Petmalu, Werpa. 'Di ba, dito simpleng nanay, kumikita ng gano'n, nagsusubscribe lang. 'di ba? Nakapag-direct lang ng 20. O ngayon masipagan mo. But this time gawin mo 30 directs, okey? Pero yung 30 directs mo, okey, ano lang, kausapin mo, 'di ba? Kung hindi sila mag-ano, talagang magbi-build, 'di ba, magiging ano, subscriber sila, kahit yung family member nila, isali nila kahit dalawa. Oh, ibig sabihin bronze sila lahat, yung 30 directs. So kumikita sila 'pag napuno yung lahat, yung matrix, $6,000 kinikita nila. So may kalahati ka, $3,000. So all in all, $90,000 yung kikitain mo. That is 5 million month after month after month after month after month after month. Oh, ang tindi, 'di ba? Oh, gano'n kalaki, 'di ba? And actually hindi lang tayo limit diyan. Okey, 'pag malaki talaga yung pangarap mo and gusto mo sobrang dami kang matulungan, ka ng charity sa church mo, sa community mo, 'di ba? Oh, ito po yung vision natin, 100 solid direct. Ibig sabihin solid diamond, 'yan, diamond sila lahat. So magkano kinikita ng diamond? Maximum $16,000+. So may kalahati ka, may $8,000+, okey, sa kanila. But take note, hindi po 'yan ibabawas sa kanila, company magbibigay niyan sa'yo. Okay, so magkano kinikita mo? $819,000+. So that is 45 million month after month after month after month after month income. Grabe 'no? Sabihin natin lifestyle mo 5 million na naubos mo, may 40 million ka pa. Hindi naubos yung 45 million mo, may 45 million ka ulit, may 45 million ka ulit. Alam niyo guys, sobrang dami nating matutulungan nito. As in grabe talaga. Imagine mo nagbabayad tayo ng tax 'no? Wala, mas magiging happy pa yung government natin. Kasi ang laki ng tax natin, eh. Malaki din naman kinikita natin, okey lang, 'di ba? Oh, 'di ba build tayo ng community like, yun may compound, 'di ba? Lahat lagay natin dun yung mga homeless, 'no? As in grabe sobrang dami nating matutulungan and even grabe 'pag ito talagang mangyari, even pangarap ng kapitbahay mo mabibili mo. Grabe 'no? As in, sobra. So, ang tindi talaga. So, kung bakit gano'n kalaki kasi dollars, eh. And magkano din naman kinikita ng mga companies na mga nauna na sa atin. Tingnan mo na si Zoom, si Amazon Prime, si Costco, oh, 'di ba? Si Netflix magkano kinikita, eh, walang kita yung mga members dun. Dito, okey lang, walang problema naman siguro kung binigyan ng hati, 'di ba, yung na income yung mga members. 'Di ba? Kaya grabe talaga ang laki at 'yan yung future natin, 'di ba? Oh, nakikita mo na ba yung sarili mo, nakikita ka ng gano'n? Kung nakikita mo, well, congratulations kasi simula na 'yan. Okay, so 'yan po 'no. So ito po, matching bonus, 5 generations deep. Ito matindi, 5 generations deep. Ito hindi ka na hindi maganda nito kasi hindi ka na limitahan sa mga directs mo lang. Pagka may nagra-rank up sa team mo, okay, sa entire team niya, may kita ka pa rin. For example, nag-diamond ka, oh, may nag-diamond sa 10th level mo, first diamond, ayan. Oh, ano mangyayari? Meron kang additional na 10,553%. Okay? 'Di ba hindi ka lang nalimitahan, hindi lang sa direct mo kundi sa buong grupo niya. Okay, so kung medyo nalilito ka, don't worry, meron tayong in-depth na, explanation about this one. Basta gano'n 'yan, okay? So hindi ka lang, limitado sa direct mo kundi sa entire team niya. Kaya ang laki talaga, kaya I highly suggest don't be a waiter, waitresses. Let's work out, okay? Kasi malaki yung kikitain mo pagka talagang trabaho mo, okay, kaysa maging abangers lang, okay ba? Ayan, so ito po yung sample ng ano po, ng, matrix and matching. So ito po siya, I don't know kanino 'to. So ito po yung ano niya, nung May, ito po yung matrix niya, $14, $17 yung matching. So konti pa lang 'no, yan mga around 1,750, 'di ba, yung kinita niya. So ngayon nung following month, ayan po grabe, nag-times 10. 'Di ba, yung matrix niya ng 117.25, yung matching 190, that is 17,000 times 10 po yung kinita niya. And nung July, ayan po, yung kinita niya na naman ng matrix 307.50 and 700 sa matching. Magkano po yan? 1,007.89 or that is 56,000 monthly income. Ano napapansin niyo? Palaki ng palaki. Dito sa Live Good, pagka sinimulan mo, lalo na 'pag tinatrabaho mo, hindi na po bababa income mo, I'll tell you. Hindi na bababa, palaki ng palaki. Pero itong income na to, katiting pa lang po yan kasi may mas malaki pa po dyan. Ito po. O, yan. Okay? Ito po, ito from international naman to na leader. Ayan. So, grabe. Man yung, ayan, February, oh. February pa to. Kinita niya is 396,000 plus pesos. O, kinumbert na natin. O, noong March, oh, grabe. Dumoble. 847,000 plus matrix and matching combined. Okay? Oh, nung April 1.4 million. Grabe. Nakakalula, guys. Hindi pa diyan kasama yung June, July. Yung August pa, September pa matatanggap. Alam niyo guys, one thing's for sure dito. Pag sinimulan mo, trust me, hindi na bababa income mo. Kaya panalo ka talaga dito. Lahat ng puyat, pagod, sakripisyo mo, bayad. Sobra-sobra pa. And this is our future. Ito po yung naghihintay sa atin lahat. Lalo na sa mga sasabay at nakasabay na. Okay, ayos ba? Grabe, no? So, nakaka-goosebumps. Grabe, so 7 figures. Antindi, antindi. Okay? So, ito naman, retail commission, 10 levels deep. Okay, so the retail commission is at 50% bonus of the difference between members price and the retail price. So pagka nakakabenta tayo sa retail shop natin, okay? So meron tayong kalahati. Like for example, may patong yung company na at least 500 pesos. So ang mangyayari, pag nakabenta ka sa ano natin, sa retail shop, may kalahati. Okay? That means 250 sa'yo, 250 sa company. So ganun po 'yan. Okay? So infinite wide din, 10 levels deep. So pag nag-rank up ka and nag-retailing din, nako, laki din ang kitaan yan, I'll tell you. So soon, ikakare din natin yan. Okay? So ito naman, influencer bonuses. Alright? So, ang mga tanong kasi, pag influencer ka, nako, ikarir mo to. Okay? Pero, hindi naman necessary na kailangan influencer lang para makuha to. So, hindi naman. Basta na-hit mo lang yung total sales like this one, 2,500, okay, 2,500 na sales. May addition ka 10%, so 60% lahat. And pagka na-hit mo yung $50,000 in a sales per month, so meron kang 50%. So, di ba kanina 250, hati-hati. Ngayon, yung 100%, ibibigay sa'yo pag na-hit mo yan. Okay, so halos wala nang masyadong kinita yung company talaga. Almost factory price products. Kaya panalo talaga. No, panalo. Okay? So, ito naman, Diamond Bonus Pool. So, meron tayong 2% of total sales from all membership and product sales. Alright? So, last month po, no? I mean, this month, no? So, yung natanggap po ng mga diamond, there are about 38 diamonds, yung 2%, umabot po ng around, almost $6,000. Di ba? Grabe, diamond bonus pool, panalo. Di ba? Pag init mo to, antindi. Okay? So, panalo talaga. Ayan, diamond bonus pool. Hindi lang yan, hindi pa nakontento ang company nagbigay pa. Crown Diamond Bonus Pool. 0.5% naman. And as of today, okay, na ginagawa natin yung presentation, 2 pa lang po yung Crown Diamond. And isa po dyan yung nasa Pinas. Diba? We're proud to say na Filipino. Okay? Ang second Crown Diamond. So, 0.5 naman po, 0.5% from all membership and product sales. So, magkano ba natanggap ng Crown Diamond this month? Okay? Sa last month na total sales. Yan. Umabot po ng 25,000. According sa ating CEO, umabot ng 25,000 plus dollars. Crown Diamond. Silang dalawa. Oh, grabe no. Ang tindi, kaya sulit talaga pag ginawa mo talaga yung effort mo, trabaho mo, sulit ang effort mo at pagod mo. Okay? Sobra-sobra pa. Bayad yan, sobra-sobra pa. Alright? So, yan po, ito pa yung mga proof na may mga kumikita. Yan po, Team Miller, grabe. 28 million pesos. Kaya, $5.5 million club member. 28 million pesos, guys. Almost 8 months pa lang po. O, ito na-invite niya si Christopher Hopkins. Yan, ito po sila, grabe. Ito si Team Miller, very inspiring. Homeless. And, grabe po, no, gumagamit lang ng cellphone sa government. Yan, naka-wheelchair pa. Pero no excuses. Tingnan nyo naman po. Si Christopher Hopkins, na-build niya po yung business before siya na hospital. Pero kumikita po siya consistently. Nag-diamond. Yan, na-invite niya po si Kelly Toller. Ayan. Teacher sa US. Yung 1 year na sinasahod doon, 1 buwan niya lang po kinikita dito. Okay? Yan, 100,000. Ito sa Coach Jesse Garcia, our grand upline. Yan, $100,000 club. Ayan, di ko na-update to. Okay, ayan, other coaches. Ito si Coach Fernan, I think 100 plus thousand na to. Grabe. Si Coach Harold, our Diamond coaches, si Coach Santi, Coach Judah, yan. So, other coaches pa, no? Worldwide. So, yan po yung proof. Okay, so yan po yung naghintay sa atin. Yan po yung future natin. Alright? Ganun po ka-bright ang future natin dito. Ganun kaganda. Ganun kalupit. Okay, so right now, we have 575 total members. Almost mag-8 months. Grabe po, no? And to tell you, itong ibang companies, no? 30 years, bagitan na natin, itong USANA. Okay? 267,000 members. 30 years, guys. 30 years. Sa atin, mag-8 months pa lang pero 575,000 na po ang members. Grabe. Kaya antindi talaga. And right now, okay, ano pa lang yan, tip of the iceberg pa lang. Yung tip of the iceberg, yan po yung first 5 million subscribers. Ang projection natin, mag-1 million subscribers tayo. Actually, early by November, 1 million na to. According sa computation, na ginawa, na kinumpute namin, ano na to, 1 million. By November, 1 million na yan. Okay? And ito pong, nasa pinakamalalim, yan ang iceberg. 20 to 100 million subscribers will be joining in the years to come. Okay? So, here's the point, guys. Sa mga first-timers dito, alam ko may nag-invite sa inyo or baka ngayon nagdududa ka, natatakot ka kasi marami ka ng sinalihan, na-scam ka na, and hundreds of thousands na yung napuhunan mo and wala pa rin nangyari. Guys, try mo lang to. Try mo lang ulit. Hindi mo lalaman yung isang bagay kung hindi mo susubukan. Diba? Hindi mo malalaman kung para sa'yo to kung hindi ka susubok. Magkano lang naman? 2,850, 2,900, or 7,900 or 8,000 pag 1 year ka? Hindi mo naman siguro kakahirap yun, di ba? Or baka yan pa yung makatulong sa'yo. Baka yan pa makatulong sa sitwasyon mo. Guys, this is an opportunity of a lifetime. As in, grabe to, no? To tell you, this plane of opportunity will surely fly. Parang parang train to eh. Parang train. Whether you like it or yes, di ba? Walang choice, no? So, whether you like it or not, yung, alam niyo, di ba yung train, pag, yung MRT, di ba, ano yan, dadaan, bubukas. Pag sumakay ka o hindi, andar ulit yan. Tama. Pero guys, ito, hindi lang to just an ordinary train. Hindi lang to basta-basang MRT. Ano to? Bullet train. Ano yung bullet train? Okay, according sa na-research ko, may bago ng mabilis ngayon. Pinakamabilis na train ngayon, Shanghai Maglev. Okay? Pinakamabilis kasi umaandar siya through magnetic levitation. Hindi na siya yung traditional na gulong lang. Kaya ang bilis talaga, parang ganoon po ito. Dadaan to sa inyo. Okay? Dadaan. And nasa sa inyo kung kasi mabilis to eh. Mabilis to nga andar. Nasa sa iyo kung sasabay ka or hindi. 'Di ba? Dalaw lang pa yung sabihin mo, buti na lang at sayang. Buti na lang sumabay ako and right now kumikita ka na. Or sayang. Sana sumabay ako, yung kinikita sana nila, kinikita ko rin. 'Di ba? Saan ka doon? Okay? I'm not saying this para ikonsensyahin ka or 'di ba, i-convince. So beyond grateful and happy sa nangyayari sa amin ngayon. And gusto namin mangyari din sa inyo. Lalo na sa mga first timers. Okay? So, hopefully, okay, na sumabay ka and syempre mapagtulungan natin 'to kasi nandito kami, okay, para tulungan ka. All right? Para syempre lahat tayo umangat dito. Marami tayong mga Filipino na matulungan, mga FWs na pauwi Pinas for good, and marami tayo na mga Filipino talaga, pamilyang Pilipino may angat, no? Yung estado ng buhay. And we will make the Philippines first world country. Di ba? So, yun yung vision natin. Di ba? Ang tindi, no? Okay? So, yan po siya. And here's the remaining top 4 reasons why you should join this company. The number 1, we just officially launched globally. So, alam naman natin, pagka pioneer, lahat ng, yung income talagang andyan. Bulusok talaga yun. Malaki talaga income. So, habang baby pa yung company, so maganda, sabayan nyo. Okay? And yan po. Number 2, high quality and very affordable products. Kasi wholesale na po yung pricing natin dito sa mga products. And yan, sinabi ko naman kanina kung gaano high quality yung products natin. Okay, number 3, marketing system, tools, and training. So lahat provided na. We have team trainings, we have corporate trainings, no, sa products, sa business side, and sa atin din, we have everyday presentation. So, guys, wala kaming bayad dito. We are doing this kumbaga sa for purpose na makatulong kasi na-bless lang kami eh. So we just want to be the channel of blessings na mapasa din sa inyo. Okay? So ganun po tayo dito kaganda dito na tulungan talaga. Okay? Na kahit most of you hindi ko man kagrupo pero we are here to help everyone. Okay? So lahat yung website natin naka-prepare na and ang gagawin mo lang GPS, get in, plug in, stay in. Okay, and enjoy the benefits and earnings. All right. So, yeah, number 4, a simple, powerful, and yet lucrative pay plan. Yeah, so, guys, this is a no-brainer. Pag talagang inupuan mo, okay, and talagang pinanood mo to tinapos mo, no? Maintindihan mo talaga. Hindi mo na kailangang pag-isipan eh. Okay, murang products, high quality, club membership, proven and tested na yung concept ng business, US-based company. Di ba? So, alam natin sa US, mahigpit sila doon. Di ba? Lalo na sa quality and sa legalities. Nako, guys. Okay? And syempre sa compensation plan, very generous, guys. Hindi ko naakalain na pwede palang kumita ng ganun yung 2,850, 570 monthly subscription. Pwede palang kumita ng ganun ng pagkalaki-laki. Okay? So, yun guys, no? So, ngayon, ang tanong, are you A, B, or C? Yan. A ka na. No, wag ka na mag-aksaya, mag-B or C ka pa, no? Waste of time lang 'yan. Yeah, sabi pa nga, time is gold, therefore time is money. So wag ka wala ka nang dapat sayangin na oras. Okay? So get back with the person that invited you and let them know if you're an A, B, or C. Okay? So balikan mo, no? Kasi ako naniniwala, sabi pa nga na sa Jeremiah 29:11, for I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope in a future. So, ang future na yan, it is set for those people who believe in the vision. Naniniwala ko na binibigay ni Lord yung blessings, yun dun sa mga naniniwala, hindi yun sa mga doubters. So, kung naniniwala ka na this opportunity is para sa'yo, take action, decide. Decide to be part of this growing company. Di ba? Okay, so naniniwala ko na bigay to ni Lord kasi ito naging answered prayer sa akin, sa team namin, and sa maraming tao dito na sumali na at talagang kumikita na. Okay? And we want this, blessing na may pasa sa iyo. Okay? So, yan ay kung tatanggapin mo. Okay? So, yan guys. So, grabe, we're so just, we're blessed beyond measure. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for listening. So hopefully nagkaroon kayo ng value sa pakikinig sa akin and natulungan din kita na makapag-decide, especially sa mga members na rin hopefully natulungan kita na lumalim yung belief level mo dito. Okay, so thank you so much everyone. So doon lang tayo magtatapos. Thank you so much and more power. God bless and see you all at the top.